Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week 6 screencast video. So, as I mentioned in the announcement here, after all of our efforts between researching, completing the annotated, and working with some source material in the way of specific quotes, paraphrases, or summaries, it's time to draft. So therefore, the goal is to share your information with an audience, right? One thing that we need to talk about is for everyone to take a look at the using and citing sources module weaved in between the weekly modules, and we'll get to that in a minute. So for week 6, straightforward. We're going to begin with exercise 4.1 out of the textbook and discussion board 9. And then discussion board number 10 is exercise 4.3. So let's head over to the discussion boards quickly. Look for 9. Okay. This is the dialogue with Dave mentioned in The Curious Researcher. It's an interesting activity. It's where you now begin to start really determining what you want to talk about for your particular topic. If you look at the questions, they generally fit just about every topic and kind of starts shifting the thought process from gathering information into how do you want to present this. So it's really important for other people. You know, writing is not about you, it's about the reader. How can you communicate, the information you found about your topic, all right? That's discussion board number 9. Discussion board number 10 is where it's an important step. It gets you thinking about how to write that introduction. For some people, introductions are very difficult to write, to get started. Ballinger, if you look at the textbook, and exercise 4.3 offers like 8 or 9 different ways to open up a research essay. You're here to select 3 of those. Okay, to try out, and I mean actually write the opening as it would appear in a research paper. Don't tell me kind of like what you want to do for each one. I want to see what your efforts would be in writing the actual lead. Like, for example, if you open up with an anecdote, a small story, or the scene or the background, I want to know how that would fit your topic and why. I should say, and how you would develop that particular introduction. All right, so that's that particular activity. I'll talk a little bit more about that in the lecture videos. So we want to make sure that everyone is aware. Let me get to the weekly modules. This section right here, I kind of put that in the module in between the chapter 3 and the chapter 4 units, weekly units there. Here is a whole section, a whole module on how to weave and cite sources. Some of these videos are a little long. I have a using and citing sources one I produced for a Spring 1102 course. It's basically the same type of information that covers the principles of citation. I've been using this in all my courses for many years now. There's a couple of short videos from University of Minnesota, I believe, on MLA style. And also the works cited page and how to put together a works cited page. It's all of this information in the video format is helpful. So please take the time to review the videos and introduce and citing sources, okay, and the principle of citation, especially the cross-reference. If you're using it in text, you must also have it on the works cited page. So we'll talk more about that in the lecture videos. All right. So that's our week 6 at a glance. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.